RSS ತಗೊಂಡು ದಲಿತ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಪ್ಪ.
It is very clear, the language, the way he says, Dalits should not question RSS. Why? Dalits are not part of the society? Dalits are not part of the constitution? And who is anybody to tell me what to question or not to question? As an individual, I have my rights, and as the Home Minister of Karnataka, I am very careful in what I am saying.
A war of words has broken out between BJP MP Ramesh Jigajinagi and Karnataka Home Minister Priyank Kharge over questions raised about the functioning of the RSS. Speaking at a press conference in Vijayapura, BJP MP Ramesh Jigajinagi questioned why Priyank Kharge was seeking details about the functioning of the RSS. Referring to Priyank Kharge as a Dalit, Jigajinagi asked why a Dalit man should be concerned about the organization and whether it was his responsibility to raise such questions. He also remarked that those who had come in the way of the RSS had not survived politically. Jigajinagi, who is also a Dalit, said Priyank Kharge should be grateful for the position he holds, attributing it to the hard work and political legacy of his father, AICC President and former Karnataka Home Minister Mallikarjun Kharge. He said Priyank Kharge should focus on doing good work and building a name for himself. Responding to the remarks, Priyank Kharge questioned whether Jigajinagi's statement was intended as a warning to Dalits not to associate with or question the RSS, which he said believes in a hierarchical social order. He asked whether the BJP MP was speaking out of fear of the RSS or attempting to intimidate him. He also questioned whether Jigajinagi believed that Dalits were incapable of bringing the RSS onto the constitutional paths. So viewers, what is your opinion on this ongoing war of words between the two leaders? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.
See, the Dalits in BJP are subservient to the RSS. It is very clear, the language, the way he says, Dalits should not question RSS. Why? Dalits are not part of the society? Dalits are not part of the constitution? And who is anybody to tell me what to question or not to question? As an individual, I have my rights, and as the Home Minister of Karnataka, I am very careful in what I am saying. अगर आप इतना बड़ा संगठन मेरे राज्य में चला रहे हो तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, या तो आके बोलना पड़ेगा कि किस कानून के तहत आप ये सारे काम कर रहे हैं. Why is and I don't care about what Mr. Ramesh Jigajinagi or anybody else has to say about it. I am duty bound, I am constitutionally bound. Whether I am a Dalit or anybody else, I have equal rights as much as Mr. Mohan Bhagwat has.